Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to use this Freeform app on your iPhone. So you can do a lot of things with iPhone with this Freeform app. You can click this button over here to start the Freeform. Alright, so this button here is to draw, and this button here is for the post-it notes, and this is to insert certain shapes. This one is to add a text box, and this one is to insert a photo by uploading from your files, from a link, from scanning, and from your camera, or even from your gallery. Alright, so I'm going to remove these post-it notes over here. And let me take you to this drawing button over here. So for this drawing, you can use this tool, somewhat like a pencil over here, and you can adjust the weight of the strokes like this. Okay, you can adjust it, and then you can choose the color. And this tool over here is for a pen, and you can also make a two-tone color for this. And then this one is for a crayon, and this one is to draw a two-dimensional thing, and this one is eraser, and this last tool over here is to select the object that you have drawn on the freeform, and then you can change the outline color or the fill color like that. So that's what a brief explanation of how to use Freeform app in your iPhone. You can take notes or you can draw in this Freeform. You can try this on your iPhone and utilize it for your needs. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another tutorial videos from this channel. Bye bye.